Okay, this is either called Son of a Dog or Beethoven. At the turn of the stair, a small room above the garage became our father's workroom. From there, with its acoustic privilege throughout the house, I became acquainted with Beethoven when the work went well, and the kitchen gadgets, garden gadgets, the electrical and clockwork mechanisms were churning out whole symphony movements, the goblins of the fifth, orgies of the seventh, those violin angels, those unguessed horizons of the hammerklavier streamed on. Then, bitch, bitch, damn bastard, Beelzebub, son of a dog, I spit on you, and the clenched teeth steady spiraled down into oaths too terrible to be uttered in any language but Arabic. And a silence filled the house as we boys went tiptoe about our deeds, till at last, with the horn calls of the pastoral, the sun shone again. They say the sounds that came from Ludwig's workshop were similar. Some say the collapse of the musician's organ was punishment. Some say reward. I think few angels visited my father, though demons aplenty lurked in the cluttered corners. Once he tore a strip off me as I doodled on the staves. What is this composing nonsense? I turned to tell him coolly that I was the new Beethoven, but the words got stuck somehow in the piano strings behind me. We think we carry these chaps as our inheritance, but in fact we'll never know what ranged itself across the inner ear, the inner eye of Beethoven or Milton.